Hello students, here we are solving the question which is based on the topic of laws of motion. The question here is a bus starts from rest accelerating uniformly with 4 meter per second square at t is equals to 10 seconds. A stone is dropped out of the window of bus 2 meter high. What are the magnitude of velocity and acceleration of the stone at 10.2 seconds? Take g is equals to 10 meter per second square. First of all, we see what is given to us. Given acceleration of bus is 4 meter per second square. T1 is 10 seconds when the stone is dropped and T2 is 10.2 second where we have to calculate the velocity of the stone and its acceleration. And height of the bus window is 2 meter. Now in this case, what formula we will be using? Formula. Now bus is moving horizontally. So Ux, initially bus starts from rest. So its initial velocity of bus is 0. Bus initial velocity is 0. So Ux we can say is 0. Then what will be the velocity of bus after 10 seconds? Because after 10 seconds we are dropping the stone. So Vx is Ux plus 80. And similarly, the bus is moving horizontally, so stone is also moving horizontally. Its vertical initial velocity is 0. Now after that, the velocity along y-axis will be given by uy plus gyt. So now we see the solution for this question. Solution for 10 seconds. The velocity of bus will be equals to u plus 80, that is equals to 0 plus 4, time given is 10 seconds. So the velocity of bus is 40 meter per second. Therefore, horizontal velocity of stone initial is 40 meter per second at t is equals to 10 seconds. And uy, it has got no vertical velocity, is 0, again at t is equals to 10 seconds. Now after this, the stone is moving for 0.2 seconds. Now the time of motion of stone, that is equals to t2 minus t1, that is equals to 10.2 minus 10 second, that is 0.2 second. So now we calculate horizontal velocity as well as vertical velocity. So Vx is equals to Ux plus Gxt. Gx, horizontal acceleration due to gravity, is 0. So this is equals to Ux, that is equals to 40 meter per second. And Vy is equals to Uy plus Gyt, that is equals to 0 plus gy is g given to us is 10 and time taken is 0.2, that is equals to 2 meter per second. Therefore the magnitude of velocity will be given by under root vx square plus vy square, which is equals to under root 40 square 40 square plus 2 square, that is equals to under root 1604. Therefore, the magnitude of velocity comes out to be 40.04 meter per second. Now we have to calculate acceleration of the body. Now since at 10.2 second, stone is moving under gravity only, therefore its acceleration is equals to g is equals to 10 meter per second square. Now we write down our answer. So the answer is at 10.2 second, magnitude of velocity comes out to be 40.04 meter per second, and acceleration is equals to acceleration due to gravity, that is 10 meter per second square. That is all for this question. Do check out my other videos for more challenging problems.